In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the tubular arms and set up your cap system on your Meistergram PR-1500. First, remove the two thumb screws holding the tubular arm setup onto the machine. Next, lift and remove the tubular arms. Next, take your cap driver and center it as shown here on the video. Carefully insert the cap driver until you reach the back of the machine. We will now take the top bar and raise it over the pantograph arm, making sure that the lower bar inserts over the pantogram's bracket, as shown here. The top of the cap driver bar has a hole which will fall in place with the guide pin on the machine. We will now take the thumb screws and attach the top of the cap driver bar to the machine. There are two thumb screws which attach the cap driver to the top of the machine. Now we will fasten the lower part of the cap driver using two thumb screws. Locate the two holes for the thumb screws underneath the cap driver. If your lines don't match up, simply take the cap driver cylinder and rotate until the holes align with the gap. Repeat the steps for both left and right sides. The bottom brackets for the cap driver have a front opening. We recommend leaving the thumb screws when removing the cap driver by simply loosening and pulling the cap driver off. The last step is to fasten the stabilizer for the cap driver. In order to do this, take the bracket on the stabilizing bar below the rotary hook arm and push it up against the cap driver. Using a thumb screw, secure the cap driver to the stabilizer bar. For structured caps, we recommend using the raised insert included with the machine. Simply take the insert, center it to the hole on the needle plate, and press down. Your cap driver is now installed and ready for use. This concludes the cap driver installation on the Meistergram PR-1500. Thanks for watching.